As calls continue to mount for the substantive appointments of Chancellor of the Judiciary and the Chief Justice, well-known human rights and constitutional lawyer SELWYN PIETERS has added his voice to the issue. PIETERS believes that President Irfaan Ali and opposition leader Aubrey Norton could create history by making the substantive appointments, given that such appointments have not happened in over 20 years.
Because since 2005, there was no substantive Chief Justice and no Chancellor substantive appointed. That's 20 years ago, 2 decades ago. The two of you can make history by appointing a substantive Chancellor and a substantive Chief Justice.
Referring to several cases in which the constitutional responsibility was placed on both the President and opposition leader, as in the case of Vince Roy Jordan versus the Attorney General, PIETERS believes that it is time for the President and the opposition leader to come to an agreement.
The President does not have to appoint them to substantive positions if he believes that there are other people who should be appointed. That's what happened with Kenneth Benjamin's situation with President Granger.
To date, President Irfaan Ali has not given specific reasons behind the decision not to confirm Judges Yonet Cummins and Roxanne George Wiltshire as Chancellor of the Judiciary and the Chief Justice. But, as PIETERS explained, it does not necessarily have to be Cummins or Wiltshire.
Quite frankly, both of you are responsible people. It doesn't have to be those two acting office holders. I mean, the President can put forward his list of people who he thinks are fit and proper to be Chancellor of the Judiciary, and who he believes that are fit and proper to be the Chief Justice of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. And the leader of the opposition can do likewise.
Justice Yonet Cummins was appointed to act as Chancellor to succeed Justice Carl Singh, who retired in 2017 after he had acted in that position for 12 years. Justice Roxanne George Wiltshire has also been acting as Chief Justice since 2017.
One of you get your choice as Chancellor and one of you get your choice as Chief Justice, and you agree on it. That's what negotiation is about, if you have to reach an agreement. You don't get everything you want.
Opposition leader Aubrey Norton has already written to President Ali, informing him that he fully supports the substantive appointments of Justice Yonet Cummins Edwards and Justice Roxanne George Wiltshire as Chancellor and Chief Justice. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.